I am so excited to bring you this brand new class, Favorite Moments of 2023, which is available now. It is a self-paced class where we're going to be making 12 double-page spread, one for every month of 2023. Upon purchasing this class, you will receive an immediate download with links and a password for videos, which include 7 hours of videos, and a PDF with sketches of all 12 double-page spreads. This was a free class for my gold members over on Patreon, and it evolved into this 12 double-page spread, and I thought that I would offer it to everyone to be able to purchase it. This class is $30, but until January 31st, 2023, you can purchase for $25. Now, if you're a bronze or a silver member over on Patreon, check over there for an extra coupon code. For more information on this class and all other classes and embellishments, please visit NicoleJones91.com. See you in class.